Oh, good morning mga kaikit. For today's video, it's March 12, 2024 and 6:44 in the morning na mga kaikit. And this is how it looks like. Dumaan ako sa may San Jacinto Santa Maria Road, hindi dun sa Santa Maria to Mataranok Road. And this is what it looks like today. And ayun, kanina pa akong 6 naglalakad and ngayon ko lang naisipan na mag-video. Kasi siya rin lang naman mga places. So that's it. So dito sa part na to is under construction na siya. Ayan. So medyo gaganda lalo. Kasi maganda na tong paglakaran natin. Gaganda na naman ngayon. So just sharing. May parating ng motor. So time check. It's 7 o'clock and looks so beautiful today. And it's kinda busy. Yes. So, ayan, time check. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Medyo malamig pa at hindi masyadong mainit ngayong umaga. We'll see mamayang tanghali. Yes, but see the clouds. Nagpintas, diba? So, that's it. Kinda busy na. Oh, by the way, ito yung dinadaanan ko every morning, right? So, ayan, just sharing mga kaikit. It's 7:16 in the morning and March 12, 2025 today, and I'm done in my walking. That's it mga kaikit, may share ko lang.